What's going on, guys? Just delivered these trucks from, I brought them from Laredo, Texas, and I'm here now in Orlando, Florida. Just want to touch on, I heard Prime about to get ready to start putting cameras inside the trucks. I'm bittersweet about cameras inside of trucks. It can save you, but it can also damage and ruin your CDL career way quicker than DOT can. A lot of these companies, man, is out here ending people's careers quicker than if they would have just been getting caught by a DOT. Like, between a company and a DOT, with these companies, especially these big corporation companies, they ending careers with these cameras. I'm trying to tell you, like, if you're looking down, if you're looking fatigued, if you're looking sleepy, it's over. It's a wrap. That's the only chance you get. And I understand safety is first. I understand that. But a lot of these big corporation companies with these cameras inside the trucks, they ending in a lot of these people's careers way quicker than a DOT officer will. Then I heard something about Prime was gonna congratulate the drivers. They're gonna be watching and congratulate the drivers when they do something good. You think they're just really watching the camera and just waiting for you to do something good? What about when you do something bad? You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure 9 times out of 10, depends on what it is, bro, you out of there the first strike you get. So you guys gotta be very, very careful with these cameras inside the trucks. You gotta be on your A game. It's like someone watching you at all times. I got into trucking because I like the freedom that it gives. I don't like people over my back. So having a camera, knowing somebody watching me 24/7, man, I feel like I don't need you over my back, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how you guys feel about it, but I just know I'm not really big on putting cameras inside of trucks. But at the same time, you gotta look at it like it is a safety though, because what if you get in an accident and it wasn't your fault? It can save you. But at the same time, it can damage you and it can make you lose your career real quick messing with these companies. So I just wanna know how you guys feel about this. Would this make you leave a company by them getting the cameras in the truck? Or do you feel like it will make you wanna stay with a company more knowing that they putting cameras in the trucks? Then I heard some companies trying to watch drivers when they finish driving. They're on their personal time. They don't have anything to do with driving at the time or at the moment, and they're still trying to watch the cameras. That's kind of like, man, I ain't with that. You know what I'm saying? So let me know how y'all feel about that. You know what I'm saying? Are y'all cool with companies trying to watch y'all while y'all finish driving, y'all in y'all little personal space? And then I heard when they cut the truck off that the camera shuts off. But every company not like that. Some companies' cameras stay rolling even when the truck is off. So that's something else to think about, man. I feel like a lot of lead drivers that train drivers, I feel like they're gonna be quitting soon, because when you a lead driver, man, it's just so many things that a company can point out that a driver not doing right. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I feel like there's gonna be way more people losing their job now, because like you can easily point out any little thing that a driver not doing. I mean, you can easily point that out. That ain't hard to find. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like a lot of drivers gonna get frustrated. They're gonna feel like they don't have privacy. I feel like a lot of people just about to start quitting these companies. Prime and more big mega companies that's starting to put these cameras inside the trucks. What are you guys' thoughts? Yeah, man, I thought I'd just share my opinion on this camera thing, man. I just want to know y'all guys' thoughts. Make sure you continue to like, share, and subscribe. This channel is growing, and I'm gonna have more videos for you guys, man. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Tae Love. What up, though? Hey!